Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to withdraw your hard-earned cryptocurrency from Faucetworld and transfer it to your Faucetpay account. So let's dive right in. But before we begin, let's take a moment to talk about Faucetpay. For those who are unfamiliar, Faucetpay is an excellent platform that provides a micropayment wallet and earnings platform for various cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and more. It allows you to receive instant cryptocurrency payments from thousands of websites and offers low withdrawal fees. However, it's important to note that it's generally recommended not to keep your crypto assets in such micro-wallets or exchanges for an extended period. Instead, consider using a trusted crypto wallet such as a hardware wallet like Ledger or software wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Now that we have a better understanding of Faucetpay, let's proceed with the withdrawal process. The first step is to ensure that you have a Faucetpay account. If you don't already have one, don't worry. You can easily create an account by following the link provided in the description below. Once you have your Faucetpay account ready, you can use your Faucetpay email as the deposit address for any coins that Faucetpay supports. Now, head over to your Faucetworld settings page and set your Faucetpay email as the designated withdrawal address. It's a simple and straightforward process. Next, go to the dashboard on Faucetworld and choose the coin you want to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button, and voila! The withdrawal process will be completed within seconds, and you will see your coins in your Faucetpay account. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to withdraw your cryptocurrency to your Faucetpay account. It's an efficient and secure way to manage your earnings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment requesting more valuable content. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for future updates. We appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.